Bach boys. Alright, you guys know I'm into Reebok, self-proclaimed Bach boy. So this was something I was looking forward to. I'm always excited when they announce the Palace Reebok collaborations, but in like actual execution, I'm usually kind of let down. This will be releasing Friday, April 2nd, 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. You can calculate what that will be for you. It's a small collection, but at least they've been moving toward including apparel in the collaborations. Before it was, usually just the shoes that were dropping, the sneakers, the trainers, if you will. But yeah, they're kind of moving towards what they do with Adidas. But I'd say for the most part, the clothing that comes alongside these collaborations, not as big as the Adidas stuff and not as frequent. But anyway, here are the Reeboks that we have. It's an alright silhouette. It looks very similar to the Workout Pro Plus, Workout Plus. I forget exactly, whatever. Maybe this is just like the older model of it, the Workout something. Maybe not the Plus, it's the Workout Minus. I don't know. But basically on the side, you're going to have this Palace kind of stylized P. It's got a little crown above it. And then you have this wreath, or I forget what they call it, the like Fred Perry stuff going along the side of it, and then you have a Palace spell along the bottom. I don't think this is a bad logo or branding. I just don't like it on the shoe right here. I don't know what I'm getting. Maybe some like Gucci vibes or something minus the stripes, but yeah, it definitely doesn't look bad. It's just not doing it for me. I don't know. It's clean, it's classy, but I don't know. Maybe a little too preppy. I don't know. As far as the other branding goes, though, I think we just have on the heel, we're going to get that. Let me actually try to zoom in here, see if any of these pictures blow up too. There we go. That's what I'm looking for. So yeah, we get the P and a little L. Like I said, we got Palace up on the top, and then I think one side says Palace maybe, and then the other says Reebok. It's hard to tell what that side says. Do we get any back views? But yeah, like I said, they're not bad shoes. Just, I don't know. I do like the gum sole and then the maroon that they use on that one. It's probably my favorite colorway. Reebok on the bottom. Yeah, I don't know. They're not bad. They're just not doing it for me. My favorite piece is probably these crew necks. I think these are cool. Does appear to be embroidered. And once again, big like Fred Perry vibes, or even Ralph Lauren. Reminds me of some of the stuff they did for that collaboration. But it is what it is. You got the little crown, the wreath. It looks nice. It looks classy. And then you get the little Reebok branding on the sleeve. I do like these crew necks. All the colorways are hidden. Or I guess we're just getting the two. Maybe there'll be more. Sometimes when you blow up the page like this, it messes things up. We also have the pocket tees, which, once again, we're getting the same thing. This time the coloration is a lot different, though. You get the red wreath and then the blue Palace spell out. If you go back here, it was green and yellow. I don't know if I'd want it that color. I guess they match the Reebok logo with the color, so I appreciate that. I wasn't sure if they're all just like red and blue like Reebok does a lot of the time, but yeah, I like that they're matching that. Not bad pieces though. The tees, pretty quiet branding, very tasteful, I guess you could describe it as. Then you also have these corduroy caps dropping. Get that in the yellow mustard, whatever. Also in a forest green. Then we have these socks as well. 2 colorways, and that's it. So that's the Palace Reebok collection. I don't know what week this is, like week 5, maybe 6. I got no idea. But yeah, releases this Friday. Kind of underwhelming, but by far from one of the worst Palace Reebok collaborations. I remember we did get those like Workout Plus ones that had the like ruffled, like really aggressive like spike bottoms almost, and they're like bright blue, bright red, and like bright yellow. I really didn't care for those. But anyway, what else is dropping? Week 8, I guess, is what it technically is. We're also expecting the Gatorade stuff, which, if you guys remember, this was supposed to drop a while back, but it got canceled. People were speculating why it got canceled. A lot of people think maybe they got cease and desist, but It's making the rounds. It's back again. If you watch that video or the Palace 2021 spring range video, I go over this. You know that this is a piece I like. I think it works. It's the right silhouette for it. The design is interesting, it's playful, it's creative. I appreciate it. And then we also have the t-shirt dropping, the Gatorade t-shirt, which I think I gotta side with the t-shirt a little bit more than the coach's jacket, because I don't know, I like the difference between the front and the back. Front just has the same back graphic as the coach jacket, and then the back has this little watermelon with the straw in it. So I like when they switch it up. Palace, it's kind of in the same boat as Antisocial. For a lot of their tees, they'll do like the small triferg on the front and then the big triferg on the back, and not really switch it up. So I do appreciate when they have a different graphic on the front and the back, even though, you know, this isn't really a triferg. Kind of got the triangle on the back with the watermelon slice, but Palace Gatorade on the front. So I like this. All the colorways are looking good, so I'm a fan of that. We also have the P-Cycle t-shirt, which a couple seasons ago we got the P-Cycle totes. I'm not sure if they dropped anything else, maybe like a water bottle. I think we've seen a water bottle from them in the past that has this like recycling triferg. I don't know, it just doesn't do anything for me. I understand it is a triferg because it makes a triangle and it's the recycle logo, so it gets points for being creative, but as far as the actual like look and aesthetic of it, just doesn't do it for me. So it's a pass for me. The multi-hood, which is basically the what the Palace spell out. We even have Internet Explorer, the E there, Anarchy A. What's this other A from? Looks super familiar, but I'm blanking on what it's from. But anyway, we just have some other stuff going on. The Flaming P. I actually have the socks that was maybe introduced on. I've always liked that logo though. As far as the whole thing though, I'm not feeling it. We also have the Sugar Gym Towel. I think this is a cool accessory to do, especially alongside the Gatorade stuff. It makes sense to include and do this because of, you know, what the collaboration is, or not collaboration, but, you know, spin on everything. It makes sense to drop. And then last up we have the Canvas Pal hat, coming in some basic colors. You can't really go wrong with any of these colors. You got gray, black, brown, green. I think they all look good. Not much love for green though. I think it's a good looking cap too. So personally, I like the duck bill ones, or the curved brim rather than the flat brim. So if I was going to go for it, it would be a pass for that reason. But not a bad P hat. I'm always a fan of the P hats. I think more often than not they turn out pretty clean. So that's what's dropping as far as the lookbook pieces go, the range pieces go. And then this is the Reebok collaboration. So let me know what you guys think of it. Are you going for anything? Are you disappointed? Are you hyped? Are you excited? Are you ready for the Gatorade stuff? As always, thank you for watching, and I will catch you in the next video.